In purpose communication and learning, important concept and skill and effective communication is not about the proper use of language and different communication method to confine the message, clarify depending of the purpose and receiving communication process. Learning that communication in the process to consent of example. Number 1. Sender of the sender message. The sender is the originator of the message. This person, group, or unity intends the communication process by encoding their thought, ideas, or information into a message. Intent for the receiver. Example: a teacher explain a lesson to student. Example number 2 is send message the information to confine. The message in the core information, idea, or concept that the sender want to confine the receiver in can be variable. Example: a text message saying see you at 5 p.m. Example number channel. The channel is the medium or method with the message transmit from sender to receive. It can be face-to-face, conversation, phone call, email, or social media, or any other communication platform. Example: sending an email to information knowledge about meeting. Number 4. Receiver. The receiver in the purpose of group will receive the message and they go in the understand the information. We can confine effective communication. Of course, when the receive fully understand to message as intended by the sender. Example: a student listening to teacher lecture. 5. Feedback. Feedback is the response given by the receiver to the sender, indicating whether the message was understood to correctly or further clarification of need. Feedback complete the communication process and help the sender know if their message is helpful. Example: a student asking a follow-up question during a lecture that clarify their understanding. All in all, what a learning in purpose community is to be critical and careful in communication. Good communication is not only about sending a message but also about making sure that the receiver understand it correctly is on other and respectful to other.